Take a little break, get some water. Out in the woods. We had a couple crashes. Wheels are out of skew. The toe is way out. She hit a tree. She's all right. See how the bumper is broken. And then the fourth thing, she flipped it over and broke the starter. She's all right. Got a big lump on her leg. All right.
I'm okay. Just got a bumped up knee.
So it won't start. We're stuck out here, so
MacGyver.
we're gonna do MacGyver and hot wire it. We're gonna jump the starter. Alright, babe. Put the seat back on. Didn't have anything metal, so use the winch. Just use the winch when you're in a pinch.
It says 3 miles when we got onto here.
3 miles to the next.
I guess to the camp.
It's only 8 miles, so I mean that's still a long ride.
That's why I was asking if it'd be quicker for you to go and me stay there.
You want to go back there?
It's up to you.
I think so.
Okay.
Where's your phone?
In the car.
This is your ride or die time. We got to separate. Stay safe. Love you, baby.
I'm too slow, so I let him go all the way back to our camp, and I'll just wait here. His was overheating.
Uh-oh.
He's, you know, those bikes are meant to go faster than I go. Yeah. Whew. That's it, folks.